On November 13, 2020, a hydrogen chloride, HCl, release occurred at a polysilicon facility in Charleston, Tennessee, during maintenance on a heat exchanger. The incident resulted in 1 fatality and 2 serious injuries. A contractor overtorqued bolts on a graphite nozzle, causing it to crack and release highly toxic HCl gas. The platform's single point of egress forced workers to make dangerous escape attempts, with 3 workers falling from a height of 70 feet. Property damage was estimated at $214,000, and the event highlighted critical deficiencies in safety procedures and evacuation planning. What happened? On November 13, 2020, morning, a contractor crew from Jake Marshall LLC began a hot torque procedure on the AW234 heat exchanger during routine maintenance. Workers received verbal instructions and incomplete torque specifications, leading them to apply excessive force to bolts on a graphite nozzle. At 10:04 a.m., the overtorqued bolts caused the graphite nozzle to fracture, releasing gaseous HCl into the work area on a 5th-floor platform. A dense white cloud of HCl rapidly engulfed the space, obstructing visibility and making it difficult for workers to locate the only staircase for escape. 3 contractors attempted to climb down external piping to escape the toxic fumes. Tragically, 1 worker fell to his death, and 2 others sustained serious injuries. Other workers remained trapped on the platform until the HCl release stopped after 3 minutes, allowing them to use the staircase. What are the root causes? Lack of written procedures. Maintenance activities relied on verbal instructions and incomplete documentation, omitting critical torque requirements for the graphite nozzle. Hazardous energy oversight. The hot torque task was not treated as hazardous work requiring energy isolation or detailed risk assessment. Simultaneous operations. SIMOPS uncoordinated contractor activities placed workers in harm's way without proper communication or risk evaluation. Insufficient egress planning. The platform's single point of egress left workers vulnerable in emergencies, despite earlier warnings during hazard analysis reviews. Key lessons and mitigations. Develop comprehensive procedures. Create detailed maintenance protocols, including torque specifications and risk assessments for hazardous tasks. Improve egress options. Install multiple exits for elevated work platforms to ensure safe evacuations during emergencies. Enhance SIMOPS coordination. Implement formalized simultaneous operations programs to identify and mitigate hazards from overlapping tasks. Strengthen training and communication. Ensure workers and contractors understand safety procedures, including proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Thank you for watching.